Have you been raw dogging the smoke because your Moose Labs filter doesn't fit? Well, they've got you covered now. Moose Labs just came out with the mouthpiece size we've all been waiting on. Introducing the Moose Labs Micro. The brand new Moose Labs Micro mouthpiece is the perfect middle ground for one-hitters, spoons, and small glass pieces. If you've been looking for a healthier way to smoke, then you need to put a filter between that smoke and your mouth. Get yourself a mouthpiece, a micro mouthpiece. If you have all of these middle-sized pieces, the OG mouthpiece, if you have larger glass vases, it also fits fat rolls pretty nicely. And the mini is perfect for papers and vapes.